What if you want to have a little bit more control of your functions? Like, what if you want to change the number of steps you jump? Or if you would like to draw different size circles? Let's learn how to do that. I'm going to move these over here. These are our basic functions. So you can see the difference between the advanced function and the basic function. Again, we're going to go to My Blocks, and we're going to make a block. And I'm going to call this one Jump. I call it Jump Steps. This time I'm going to add an input. And this is going to be a number or text, but I want to give it a name. And I'm going to call it steps. And then I'll hit OK. Now our new function, let me move this down here, is going to be very similar. I'm going to duplicate it and put it here, but there'll be one slight difference. Every time I do jump steps, I want to have the ability to tell it how many steps to jump. That's going to be a value that's held in a variable called steps. If I drag the word steps down to where it said move 20 steps, I'll be able to tell it how many steps to jump when I use this function. For example, let's move jump out of the way, and notice now we have jump steps. And I move jump steps in here, and I could tell it how many steps I wanted to jump. Maybe I wanted to jump 30 steps. Next time, maybe 15. It will take that number of steps and it will pass it down to the place in the code where we tell it to use the variable steps. Let's do this again with circle. I'm going to make a new block, and I'm going to call it circle size. I will add an input, and I'll just call this size. And hit OK. Again, it's going to be very similar. So I'm going to duplicate the code, put it here. Now, one of these things changes every time you draw a circle. And the thing that changes is how many steps you take. So I'm going to drag the word size down here. And now notice I have a new function called circle size. And instead of just drawing a circle, let me remove that. And let me add circle size. I can tell it to draw a circle with 2 steps. And then jump 30. And every time I run this, I can change the number of steps I jump or the size of the circle. Let's see what it looks like now. Sorry for the background noise. I'm in the city right now. Just a quick reminder that the function circle does not give us the ability to change the size or the number of steps. But by using the input feature in our function, add an input, we were able to make our function much more usable. Hope this helps.